In this video, I'll guide you through how to search flights with long layovers on Google Flights. If you've ever wanted extra time in a connecting city to explore, rest, or meet someone, building in a long layover can be a great way to do that without booking multiple separate tickets. We'll go step by step, keeping things simple and clear so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your browser and go to Google Flights. You can do this by searching for Google Flights in the search bar, then clicking the official Google Flights result. Once the page loads, you'll see the main search area with boxes for your departure city, destination city, travel dates, and number of travelers. Before you worry about the layover part, start by setting up a normal flight search. Type in your departure city, then your arrival city. Choose whether you want a one-way, round trip, or multi-city ticket, and then click on the date field to pick your travel dates. You can adjust how many travelers there are and the cabin class, like economy or business, if you need to. When everything looks right, click the search button. Google Flights will take a moment, then show you a list of available flights for those settings. Once your initial results are on the screen, you'll use the filters to start shaping your itinerary. At the top or along the side of the results, look for the filters area. Here you'll see options like stops, price, times, airlines, and duration. These filters are what allow you to nudge Google Flights toward longer layovers instead of the quickest possible journey. To start, click on the stops filter. This usually lets you choose between non-stop, one stop, or two or more stops. If you want a long layover, you'll generally avoid non-stop options and instead enable flights with at least one stop. Make sure the one stop or multi-stop options are turned on so that Google Flights knows you're open to connecting flights. Next, move to the duration filter. This is where you can really influence how long your total trip time will be, which in turn affects how long your layover might be. Click on duration and you'll see a slider or range selector that controls the maximum total travel time. If you want longer layovers, you usually need to allow a longer overall trip duration. Gently drag the slider outward to increase the maximum travel time, giving the system room to include itineraries with extended connections. As you adjust the duration, watch how the list of flights updates. You'll see options appear with longer total travel times, and within those you can look closely at the connection details. Some flights will show a layover of several hours or even most of a day, depending on the route and airlines. You're not creating a specific layover length, but by allowing more total time and enabling connecting flights, you're making it much more likely to see those longer layover options. Finally, scroll through the matching flights and review them carefully. For each result, check the departure time, arrival time, and especially the connection information. Google Flights will show you the layover city and how many hours you'll spend there. When you find an itinerary that has a layover length you like in a city you're interested in, click on it to see more details, including terminals, overnight times, and baggage information. From here, you can choose the flight that best matches your plans and continue to the booking page through the airline or a travel partner. By using the stops and duration filters together, and then carefully reading the connection details, you can consistently use Google Flights to find routes with the longer layovers you want.